In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your Oppo Reno 8 Lite. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Google Classroom. Like this. From here, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. Click on Get Started, select the account you want to use for this Google Classroom. And now if you want to join the class, click on this plus button, select Join Class, enter the class code, you should be provided with one, and after doing so, click on the Join right here. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.